camera. All my cows died. Every one of them died. 0 cows. All of them died. Oh my. $54,000? Oh my god. I should just start selling them all, just so I can get some money back. Can't move. There. Wait. Dog was the only one who survived. Well, maybe because he wasn't in the barn. I got 8 cows. There. Dang it, no! God. It's so annoying. Oh, go back in. Yeah, go back out. God dang it, you stupid cow. All these cows are stupid. No, 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 no! Let's go at 4 cows.
We'll go check on my chickens.
And this is all so
chicken,
tough. Like,
I
I'm
don't
looking.
know, stop hurting.
Oh my god. As soon as I joined Farming and Friends, I went to go plow my field. Like, that sucks.
You don't think you don't even talk with me. Dang it. I'm gonna plant some rice seeds.
So much money.
Gavin, something happened. I accidentally dropped my seeds right in front of the door, so I can't pick it up. There. I'll just put it in my truck.
Right, that's uneven. You have to put it right there. I guess since I do have to wait on my cows, I guess I could plow my field. Like, I didn't see any of my cows there. And then I looked in the barn, they were all there. All of them were just there. There's poop everywhere.
I mean, it would kind of be cool if we had our like own farm.
If we had farming in real life.
Yeah, if we had our own farm.
I don't know. Then we would have to do a lot of work at the farm.
Yeah, but it would be kind of fun because taking care of animals and stuff.
I mean, you're not wrong.
I'm planting some rice. Don't judge me. Of course, it's turning
I
on.
don't care if you're planting rice. I'm also planting rice, but not to sell.
Why are you planting rice in the first place if you're not going to sell it?
Because I'm using it to make animal food.
No.
What?
There-
Trust me, it's cheaper. And I'm doing rice seeds instead of wheat. Because you have to plant 100 wheat for one box. 50 corn for one box. But only 10 rice for one box. I just think it's better. Hey, Connor, you know what you should do? Once I'm completely done with the cake factory, it's like me and Brady get the rest of it. Why is there a corn right there? Once me and Brady have the full cake factory, I'm probably just sell it, which means no more chickens. Okay.
Okay.
That means no more selling eggs.
Wait, what? Whoa, what?
I'm gonna sell my cake factory, eventually.
No, don't.
Why?
Gavin, don't.
I was thinking you could use it.
Don't sell it.
Why?
I don't want you to. Don't sell it.
Once it's full and we make a lot of cake, it's gone. 'Cause I don't have any time to focus on it.
You should be full.
And you always steal my eggs. I need to try to make a ton of animal food. So that means I don't have enough time to.
I'm stealing your animal food right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you care.
I don't
Bamboo
care.
seeds.
I don't know that those are Brady's.
Okay. Why do you have them on your plot?
Because I was the one who bought them.
Speaking of bamboo, I might buy bamboo seeds.
I guess so. Buy bamboo seeds.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy bamboo seeds.
Oh, by the way, the Roblox chat filter was broken last night at 2 a.m. It was kind of up pretty late. Alright, now we
Where's my
check.
third chicken? Did it wander off the plot or something? Oh, it's in the coop. Okay, I gotta go take this food to my cow.
Now let's see my cows. They're stupid. Now what about the cocoa? Super close. I think we might be able to cultivate. And while we're doing that, I feel like it might be done. So I'm just only gonna do it whenever I have some free time because I don't want to get bored and just stop it early. I wonder if Landon will join again like how he did on day 4. Give me back my semi-truck! No, that's my semi! I really wish this thing had a horn.
Gavin, I'm doing a job for you. I'm getting cocoa and I'm running over your cocoa on your vehicle, so you're getting lots of cocoa in this thing.
Make sure it has 200 cocoa, okay?
Okay.
If you don't have that much, then keep farming and keep going. Then you have 200. It's nice of you because while I'm cultivating my field. Okay, Connor. Kylie has chickens. Landon has cows. That's their first animal. Oh.
Yo, hello.
Hello.
Did you start it without me?
We started it. Sorry about
Oh.
that, but it's okay. We're only 12 minutes in, and day 4 is 2 hours long.
Gavin, did you give me another cow? Okay, thank goodness you did.
Like, how about you, Gavin?
Yeah.
Did you, wait, so you've been recording this whole time?
Yeah.
Are you still recording?
Maybe.
Well, how about you just, stop it, start a new one, I'll just edit it back in and send it to you. And say my friend's gonna join. If you want to do that, I'll do it. Bro, are we on the public server? Am I on a public server?
I think you are because you're not in the private.
I swear I just hit servers and then I clicked you, but okay.
Already buy the bamboo seeds.
Skibbity on the wall.
My cow's new milk. Why is it so laggy?
Ciao.
Why is it so laggy? Hey, oh, it's
Maybe it's because how cool I am.
Oh, it's because Carter joined. Because
maybe
his
it's because I'm just
farming
too cool.
Yeah, the game lagged because it has to load his farm.
Oh, so I cause stuff now.
You just caused a little bit of lag. It's fine, but it's fine now.
Yeah, there's like no lag anymore. Bro, where's my other cow? Okay, there's milk.
Beautiful.
Have you ever just like decided to play Fortnite on a weekday, and then you decided, I sound skibbity. Have you ever just said that before?
No.
Maybe that's just me.
Yeah, I think it is just you.
Should I take offense to that now?
No. My bad, I'm sorry.
A suable offense?
I'm sorry.
A suable?
No, it's not suable.
That seems like harassment.
It's not harassing.
Do you have proof that's not harassing?
Because it isn't. Hey, can I harvest some of your cocoa seeds? Cocoa.
Okay.
That will actually really help. Have you seen the challenges I'm doing? Getting chocolate milk for Brady. A lot of it. This time it's animal food also. So both. dog.
Are you recording still?
Yes, Connor.
Why? This is
You,
Alright.
Gavin. Wait.
Yeah.
I wanna ask a question. After this, can we play that one game we like playing?
Death penalty.
Yeah, because I bought Robux just now, so we can buy that one thing, the massacre we've always wanted to do.
Oh yeah.
Because I want to try to do. I can like buy all of it, and then I can like I bought 1,000 Robux, well 880. So right now I'm pretty sure I have 910.
Alright. What's it
Bro,
do?
I don't like, bro. Sometimes this private browser is good, but sometimes it's not. You wanna know? None. Yeah, it's because like every time you sign into something, it like logs you out. But like my search history is not a thing. I don't like that. It's a less chance of me getting hacked
Huh.
on my phone. My phone got a virus one time.
How did your
Oopsie.
phone get a virus?
But I don't know, bro. I was kind of trying to do something. A free Robux, scam.com. None of it worked, and then like I got hacked.
Really?
And they kept sending stuff to my phone, and it was like awkward, and my phone kind of blew up because how like they kind of destroyed the inside.
Oh, dang. That's sad. Why'd you leave my cocoa harvester over there? I'm never trusting Connor.
Connor Kitty, are you and guys like related? Like Connor Kitty and Cat Cuckoo?
Yeah.
Why not Connor Doggy? And not like Dog Cuckoo? Like, did you guys never have a dog? Does he just like, does she, never mind.
We just like cats more.
Oh, so you got something wrong with Potter now. Because he likes eating dog food.
Connor, you didn't even harvest all my cocoa.
It's bad my dog likes eating cat food and my
What?
cat like he's
I
eating
wasn't
dog
in the
food.
mood.
Oh my god, Connor, you could have told me.
You were on call Carter.
Can you whitelist
Yeah, you
me?
still
Can you
could've-
whitelist me?
Yes. Connor, you still could have told me. That might get a blacklist.
Gavin, I
maybe.
have a question. Is this bad?
What is?
My dog eats cat food and my cat eats dog food. Is that normal?
No, that's not normal.
I think they get jealous of each other and decide to eat their other's food. I don't know.
Maybe.
Gavin, you need to change your profile picture.
Yeah, I might change it back to Bill if I can get on my old tablet.
I was gonna send you something.
Oh,
Can I have a suggestion?
sure.
Pretty please.
Yes.
My suggestion might be good, but it might be bad, and it might hurt you very bad. You might like want to hurt yourself after.
Okay, not when Connor's in.
No.
You can send me it, just...
Do this one. Make that your profile picture. That's a cool
bad.
profile picture.
Not bad. Also,
Well, it's like your Roblox character.
oh yeah, that's actually good. Okay, let's see, what's Carter doing? Hey, can I harvest your cocoa?
I think I might. Do you want to know what I think you named your name after? Cat Cuckoo.
Should I change my name too?
No, you want to know what I think you named it after?
More.
The second grade song, and they were named Cuckoo. The channel was named Cuckoo. I'm pretty sure. The cat party song.
But that was in the cuckoo section. I know that. I don't.
No, I'm pretty sure their channel was named. Yeah, their channel's named Cuckoo.
That was an awesome song. KDI5 was an like awesome song.
Cuckoo Cat Party Dance Along. Yeah,
Well, okay.
you stole their channel.
Here's what happened. We were. Whenever my brother made me Roblox, I was like Cat Cuckoo, and then I wanted 123 on it.
Why 123?
I don't know. Get off my.
Why have you never decided to change your name?
Because I like it.
You like Cat Cuckoo?
Yeah.
Me too. Yeah, well, can we do the idea I thought of? Like, did I tell you this idea?
What's the
Combine it, we can make a YouTube channel together.
Oh, yeah. You told me about that. It does sound good.
The only bad thing is, like, I kind of made too many Google accounts.
So now
I can't use my phone number. Well, I can make it. It will just have to be your phone number, the verification.
I guess.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it really isn't.
It's not like I already don't know your phone number.
Oh, yeah.
And then I'll just add my email to it, like another email.
Oh, yeah. Or I can make an email.
And well, your phone number can be your verification, and my email can be my verification.
Oh, yeah. Connor, do you want to sell cocoa? I'm gonna put like 100 cocoa in here. I guess you can sell. And is that Carter's having a joy.
Yo, Gavin, wait, did I tell you? Wait, yeah, wait. Wait, I'm a low key. Wait, I'm gonna need to download Discord on my phone
I guess, yeah.
because I want to sign into my Discord account, but because I want to turn on my camera.
There, Connor, you can sell 100 cocoa. Because I'm a harvester.
Because I want to show you something. Did I tell you my monitor? I got a monitor yesterday and it broke.
I think it did. Connor, get out of my cocoa harvester.
Why?
God. We can go sell the cocoa I put in the silo.
How do I get it out of the silo?
What the heck?
Have your trailer being like the rectangle thing.
What rectangle thing?
Oh my, never mind.
Oh, here it is.
Connor, he's about to beat you up if you say something.
He's right.
Why is there being
I think we were gonna do this, like I focus on chocolate milk and you focus on like potatoes and stuff.
How do I get it out?
Oh my gosh, that was square! Rectangle!
Don't you hate when you forget your password?
It kind of rarely happens.
Well, it happens to me a lot.
Oh.
I'm about to hurt somebody today. Oh my god. Well, I forgot my password and then I keep entering the wrong password. Can I ever get out of choices?
It's day 5 and I haven't even gotten one chocolate milk. So I really gotta step up my game with like cocoa, milk, but of course all my cows died. Right before I started
I'm
recording.
changing the email to my Discord account real quick because I don't like the email. Bro, don't you hate when you... I might start a new YouTube channel.
What would like the channel be called if like me and you made one?
Bro, did you see... I don't know. Can and... I don't know. But you wanna know what sucks, bro? I had a video blow up on my channel and they took it down. Wah.
Why?
Removed all my subscribers from that channel. I checked my channel. I don't know, bro. It was like someone said copyright. I don't know.
I don't want to play anymore.
I kind of emailed them
I'm
about it.
done playing Fortnite.
You're done
It was
playing
literally a Fortnite video
I think we
with like
completed day
skins and
3.
stuff. Like I don't
Day
know.
5.
Connor,
I
can
know.
you shut up? I'm trying to listen to Carter.
Can you? For real, Connor? God, you're kind of loud. I'm not trying to be mean, but not. Right now, I'm just like changing the name, my email from Discord. Hi, bro. I got Nitro. I'm changing my banner to.
Okay, we're full on cocoa. Now we just need to get a lot of milk. So this is what I need to try to do. Have to get, I need to get, like, I don't know. So I have to get me chocolate milk, you chocolate milk, is like, now you're helping. Carter doesn't even help, she just takes my eggs, so we won't count her. Landon helped, and Landon helped a little bit. Well, like, showed him how to play the game. Which you'll see it on day 4. And Kylie helped a little bit too. So that's 4. Why, Carter? Like, we're having so much fun.
I'm not having fun.
Well, then you're weird. How about you?
Dang, Connor, he called you weird. First, I wouldn't take that.
I think I completed day 5.
Carter, we're only 27 minutes in recording.
Who cares?
What if I buy you seeds? Alright, then I'll buy you seeds.
No, Gavin, I said no. I'm gonna leave immediately if you do. I'm leaving.
Dang. She's leaving.
Oh wait, my cows are
She just threatened to leave.
Oh my god. But my stomach hurts. Alright, Connor.
Are you sure you want to leave and get food?
Alright, go make me popcorn.
Should I not leave or should I leave?
You shouldn't leave, but go make me popcorn.
No.
Part of my stomach actually hurts.
Oh, no.
Hey, he got off call. Why did he get off call? Right, you left? Okay, I'll have my phone.
No, Gavin.
You're not having my phone. I guess after day 4, after we film day 5, then I guess we can go to the next service station. Alright. What happened?
I changed the password, changing the email to my account.
So did it like, I guess log you out?
Yeah, it logged me out. I just logged back in. Cause I'm gonna show you something in a second. Cause I'm gonna join on my phone.
Wait, who cleaned my animal containers? Who cleaned them?
I don't know.
Was it you or Connor? Connor, did you clean the cow things?
Cow what?
The stables, cow stables.
Yeah, he told me to.
Oh, I actually didn't think you would.
Gavin, it might kick me out again. That's about to get annoying if it does, but it's fine.
Alright.
It's because I'm changing the email, so now I have to go to Gmail.
I'm
Well,
gonna
now I
take
can-
elephant's food.
This one cow is so annoying.
You want to know what kind of sucks? That you can't change the email to your YouTube account.
Yeah.
No, I tried. I was gonna change it to something. Okay, finally. Now I'm gonna log in.
Come on, you stupid cow. Hurry up, I even heard you. Nice parking. Get him.
Donna.
I was like, wait for me to join.
Alright.
I just want to buy the thing on death penalty.
I know, we'll try, okay? I promise. Ow.
But like, I guess we can play this.
Thanks.
Can I make a deal?
What?
How about we do this for 15 minutes and then we can play death penalty and then we can finish the rest after you get back or in a little bit.
Well,
We do 15 instead of
are
29.
you just gonna combine the footage?
Yeah, I'll combine it. I can edit it easily.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
At the end, right before you end, when you end it, you gotta say "be right back" because it'll cut out and then go back, and then that's the story you gotta say. I'm
We'll
back.
be right back, everybody. Is that what we're doing?
You just say "be right back." I'll say "I'll be right back," and because it will move and it'll look different.
Oh, yeah.
You can resume it.
Alright. Do you have an automatic barn?
I'm pretty sure I do. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you do. Oh my god, this rain.
Gavin,
Yeah,
should I become a streamer again since I have like a second monitor?
I guess so. I don't really know how to stream. I got approved for
Uh,
YouTube streaming.
oh, I could probably get approved. I don't know. It can't be that hard.
It takes like 24 hours. I don't even think I don't even think I don't even think I followed the guidelines.
What is their guidelines? What?
But
Trying to
like, you
say.
have to be like, to have this many subscribers. Like, I don't know. They just said like apply for streaming. Where's this last piece of cocoa? There it is. Hey, once I fill up my cake factory and make like a lot of cake, I'm probably gonna like sell it. But my sister really does not want me to. She's like, no, don't. Oh no. Oh no. The house of toilets. I think I told people on my other farming and friends challenge of like what you did to this house. You just put so much toilets in it. This is what it looks like. Oh my. This is what it looks like. Are you gonna plant crops? Hey, you know that game Choo Choo Charles? You know the game Choo Choo Charles? Hello? Hello? What is he getting at? Hello? Why is he not talking? Oh, okay, there's a focus on the girl. Hello? And so I need to plan on making like that massive cocoa farm. Which I'll do whenever I'm completely done with the cake factory. And we'll have this entire field of just cocoa. I want it to be like a 500 field. But my cocoa harvester can only fit 300 at a time. It won't be too bad though. Why is Carter not talking? Carter? Hello? My God, I don't care about these scam calls.
Hello.
Hey, I can hear you now.
I was talking.
I don't know. Hey, can you write with me?
I will. Death penalty. What?
Okay,
Have you been recording this whole time?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's almost been 15 minutes.
Yeah. Just can you
Maybe.
write with me?
I will. Yeah. Let's go.
Thanks. Alright. I got from night 5 and I'm about to ready. Took me forever just to do day 4. Oh,
Have you seen the new Garfield movie?
oh yeah. Well, I haven't
No.
watched it, but I want to.
I haven't either. Chat, I low-key might buy it. Wait. I don't know.
Is it on Prime?
I don't know. Okay. What? So you haven't made a single chocolate milk?
No, that's day 5 and I only have 10 days. So I really have to step up my game. It's probably because I've been
10
mainly
days for
focusing on.
what?
It's probably because I've been mainly focusing on animal food, which now I'm focusing on just chocolate milk. Hey, we're gonna have leftover cocoa.
That's cool.
I'm gonna just put some in my silo. It's already almost full. I need to get in the better silo. I might have to get more milk semis to get like 3 things of chocolate milk.
Wait.
Okay, so 2 cows decide not to listen.
Yeah, I think they need to be deleted. They're not listening.
Yeah. Alright, come on. You 6 cows.
Yo, Gavin.
Yeah.
I kind of need help. Something happened to me.
What happened?
Oh, ow. I need help.
What happened?
Oh, help me. Come here. I'm by the silo.
Why are you at my silo?
Wait, is this yours or mine? Oh, this is yours. Ow, help me.
Come on, you stupid cows. I gotta save somebody.
This thing fell on my leg. The tire.
This tire in your leg?
Ow, I think my leg's falling off. Ow. Ah. Yeah. Oh, whitelist me. Oh, we're already whitelist. I forgot I didn't leave. Oh, oh, help me. It fell on my leg. Help. Where even are you?
Just a second. These cows are like, meow,
I'm about-
meow.
I might die. I'm gonna die. Help.
I'm coming.
Oh. Ow. It's stuck under the tractor now. Ow. Where even are you? Gavin, I see you. Come to the tractor. It's in front of the cake thing. It's like by the, yes, the cake factory. Oh. Gavin, where are you? Can you get in this and save me? Ow, it's on my leg. Ow. Ow. Are you gonna get in and save me?
It's not on your leg.
Oh, I think it broke my leg, Gavin.
What happened to your leg?
It took my leg.
Yeah.
My leg!
No. It's okay. You didn't need it.
Look at my leg. Yeah. What are you standing still for? Move. Does my leg look cool?
Yeah.
What is it? What is my leg?
Core blocks.
It's definitely not fake. Don't look at it. Chat, they're 175 Robux. Does this actually look like core blocks?
Yeah.
Is it cool?
I guess.
Should I equip my headless now?
You're fake headless?
No more real headless.
Oh, your real one. Yeah, equip that.
1 sec, wait.
We haven't done Zach's service station in a while.
Maybe we can play that after that one game I want to really play.
Death penalty. Hey, can I milk your cows?
Sure, do it.
Alright. Where's your other semi-truck?
Hey. After you milk my cows, can we play it?
Sure.
It's been a long time. I got my core blocks on.
I know we could go
I got
now.
wait. Oh wait. Yeah, okay. Actually, for real?
Yeah. Alright, everybody. We will be right back. Alright. Oh, we'll be right
Okay,
back.
because